$50 a pop. Okay, what's the next compound on this list? Lithium nitride. Lithium nitride. This is so easy. What's this one? Potassium oxide. See, you guys are really good.
You're really scared.
Now, you scared?
Yeah.
Let me tell you where you are most likely to screw up. And let me tell you that I will give you that option on the naming quiz.
Let's hear it.
Because in that word cloud, there were some prefixes like bi, tri, octo. You're at some point going to want to call this trilithium mononitride.
Oh, yeah.
And you will be so dead wrong. Ionic compounds do not use any prefixes in their names.
Alright, that's easy.
Ionic compounds use no prefixes in their naming conventions. The naming conventions for ionic compounds, you just name the ions. Isn't that a fun fact? We will get to the prefixes telling which ones are ionic. Yep. Bingo. Bingo boingo. So how do you know if it's an ionic compound? Well, what if I tell you, I just give you this formula. How do you know that's ionic and not covalent? You look at your periodic table. It's because of the what? No, well, no, I mean, lithium is always first, it's cation, but that's not how we tell it's ionic. We know that it's ionic because lithium is from way over on this side of the periodic table. Nitrogen's from way over here. Anytime you have an alkali metal, an alkali earth metal, a transition metal, bonding with a nonmetal, that's an ionic compound. So when you have stuff from the far side, you know, far west coast and east coast meeting, far left and far right meeting, those are ionic compounds. Anytime you have a transition metal in a compound, like magnesium, well, not magnesium, I'm thinking of manganese. When you've got those metals in a compound, those are going to be ionic compounds. We're going to do some more work with ionic compounds today. Tomorrow, we'll finish up ionic compounds. Monday, we will start to talk about covalently bound or molecular compounds. So let's practice doing this in reverse. Let's practice me giving you a name and you writing the formula, because that's the other half of this. So, if I give you aluminum oxide and calcium fluoride, you write the formulas, and I will give you magnesium sulfide and potassium bromide. And I will turn the camera off while you write.